Here's how you can use our 7-day follow-up series that helps turn your subscribers into customers more quickly because it's a nurturing campaign that also does focus on your product and how it can help them. I'm going to demonstrate this from the perspective of having used our free lead magnet funnel, and we'll just walk through that very quickly from here. So when you did set up your form, you should have set it up to email marketing, right? And so I did that. I connected it to something I called my mailing list. And so now I will go over to messaging and workflows here at the top, and under automations, I will create an automation. And I'm just going to start with blank and a follow up series. I'll name it and I'll hit submit. And to get it started, you do have to have an automation trigger. And what we're going to do is we're going to say added to this list, and we're going to choose my mailing list. So that way, when they sign up, they're going to get this email. So now what we want to do is we're going to send an email. There's lots of different options here of things you can do and how you can make this automation, but we're going to stick with this very simply and show you how to get started with the 7-day email series. So you're going to want to send an email right away. Thank you. Here's your free. And there are suggested subject lines actually after if you want to go back and edit them. These your free gift. And from Alice and Alice. All right, we're going to go start building the email, and you'll see that we have our templates here. And we have a 7-day email series. This is all the email templates you can go through. You can also save your own templates. You can create from scratch. And that's all categories. In our category of fill in the blank 7-day follow-up, there are 7 emails you can use. So you just go one by one, and it does give you a subject line suggestion. If you want to go back and edit that, you would just remove this part when you've got your subject line ready. So it says hello there, and this is already filled in for you. You don't need to do that. That's going to fill in their name. But all these other elements here is you talking about the problem you're going to solve, what your link is, insert what you're giving them, and before you go and you're introducing your product. So that is just fill in the blanks, and you hit save, and then you have your first email. Then you want to put in a delay, probably. Maybe you want to send it 7 days in a row. I think that's a good recommendation. So you go delay with a specific amount of time, 1 day, and then you can send another email. And so you would go through the process again, and you would pick email number 2, then email number 3, and that's how you build your automation, your 7-day follow-up series.